The health benefits of green tea are well known by many. Do we know how the green tea is made? The manufacturing process of green tea is designed to preserve the natural green color, fresh flavor, and antioxidants in the leaves. Unlike black tea, green tea is not fermented. We are now in a mini green tea manufacturing unit surrounded by beautiful lush green tea garden of Biswas Tea Producer Company Limited situated in North Bengal. The youngest tea leaves and buds are plucked typically by hand and taken to factory with utmost care. As soon as the freshly plucked leaves reach factory, fed into the rotating hot steam chambers to stop enzymatic oxidation. This step preserves the green color and grassy flavor of the tea. After desired steaming, leaves are cooled and conveyed to the rollers, where leaves are rolled or twisted to shape them and break the cell walls slightly, which releases essential oils and enhances the flavor. Then leaves are dried in two steps. After first drying, rolled leaves are passed through rotating shifter. Then again dried in quality dryers to reduce moisture to about 2 to 4%. The dried tea then sorted with highly sophisticated color sorter, then further sorted to get uniform grades of size and shape. The tea is ready to brew, to have the cup of health.